In this section, we'll learn to use all the roads that are available in UCP. First, let's extend our road and make a turn. Go to the Roads folder. You'll find Road Single R Sidewalks A. Rotate this and just snap it into position. So these are curved pieces, so we'll need to square off the road piece to stay on grid. You can see the empty space that's created here. And for that, you'll want the road platforms. Road Single R Platform will do it. And by placing that, you'll notice some Z fighting occurring between the brick of the building and the concrete we just placed. To fix that, we'll need to raise the building and add a foundation. So select your building. Don't forget the roofs and AC. Just raise it a little bit so it's floating off the surface. Now, you'll just add some simple walls to line the base of the building. You can find those in the Walls folder. We'll use Wall Simple A. Just rotate that and place it right at the base. Duplicate it, slide it over. Duplicate, rotate, put it in a position. There we go. Now, no more Z fighting. Let's just continue this road. I'll just grab this road, rotate this, just snap it into position. And I'm going to use some different sidewalks. So we'll just go to the Sidewalk folder. We'll use Sidewalk 2 Long A. This is just a similar sidewalk, but a different trim pattern. There's like a tile at the end. Okay. What I'm going to do next is add a lower level area to the side of this building. You can do that by going into the Sidewalks folder. And there's 4 sets of stairs. We have brick, 2 concretes, and a whiter brick. We'll use a whiter brick. And we'll just rotate that into position. So this is accessing a lower level. It's also on grid, 7 meters across. And to fill up the foundation of this building, we'll just use different walls. So maybe simple B we'll use. Just fill out the shape. Okay. Now we'll just use the simple sidewalks to fill out the ground. We'll use large brick. This one's 7 meters, so we can fill out a larger surface area. We'll take this object and we'll just duplicate it here. And in the Walls folder, you'll also get small doors. These doors don't open, they're just for decoration. So we'll use simple B small door to match with the walls. And there we go. We could fill this area with sidewalks or buildings, whatever you like. It's all on grid, so it'll all work. Now let's move on to bridges. Inside the bridges folder are large elevated pieces and supports to create wide overhead roads or highways. But to use them in our scene, we need to transition from a single road to a double road first. So currently we have just single roads. We need to go and transition to a double. In the roads folder, at the bottom, are road transition pieces. You can see how the road transitions from single to a double. And they also have brick sidewalks for convenience, crete, or white. So we'll do road transition. Just rotate that. Make sure it's snapped. Good. And then we'll do brick. And we'll need to continue our sidewalk here. So this I'm going to use, we'll do sidewalk 2 variants. Okay. Now let's add an intersection and some double road pieces so that the road will extend out this way. Roads. And we want a double intersection because our road is double sized. And then we will need road double 28 meters. To just finish it up on each side. There we go. Good. Now we'll have to add sidewalks to the sides here. Sidewalks. And we've been using double, or long versions rather. And you need a short piece and then a turn. So we could do the sidewalk 2A, which is a 3.5 meter piece. And then we'll need sidewalk 2 turn A or B. We'll do B. Well, nope. Let's do A. That's the outer piece. And we'll just finish it. Now this side uses brick, so we'll use the sidewalk 1 turns. And now we'll just finish it up over here. Okay. Now, I don't want to deal with this road, so I'm just going to actually delete this and swap this out for a T intersection instead. So we'll delete that, go back to roads, and we'll do we want a double T intersection. Double T. Great. Now that we have something basic, let's put some bridges in here. And so you want to go to the bridges folder, and you'll see we have a number of bridges here. We have turns, off-ramps, a ramp, a single support beam, and 2 variants of a wide. So these larger wide support beams actually align to the sidewalks in the scene. So let's just pick this sidewalk, make sure we have a physics mesh collider on it, and we'll just do Shift R. And that's automatically aligned, nice and perfect for you. And you can just take it, and we'll just slide it. Actually, we'll realign it. We'll duplicate it, and we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's about 14 meters in between these supports. Now we'll add a bridge piece. We'll do a 7 meter. And there's 20. Actually, we'll do a 28 meter piece. Just rotate this in position, and you can snap these into the little slots right here. All you need to do then is you can add a road piece on top. So just go back to your roads folder and do a road double. Rotate that into position, just snap it in there. It's important to know that when you're doing a bridge piece, only the roads that are named double are supported up here. So let's just select our bridge piece and we'll duplicate it and just copy it over there. And let's do a turn. So go bridges, and we'll go a long left turn. Rotate that into position. Simply snap it. Good. And we'll need a double road turn for that. Great. And let's try the other support beam. So we're using A, let's do B. So there's B. Let's add a collider to that mesh right there. Align it. There we go. So that's basically how you would use the bridge system. So experiment with different road layouts and try using the ramps and the off-ramps too. And if you're diligent about staying on the grid, everything should be fine.